Hello again. So this video is going to be a Lutron dimmable and occupancy sensor, three-way or multi-location. Its part number is MSCL-OP153MH, rated for 150 watts of CFL or LEDs or 600 watt of incandescent or halogen bulbs. So this one is more expensive than the other ones I've tried. I think this one is $42. The other ones I've tried, the Leviton is $32, 33. However, I'm glad to say that this one works better because my LED lights are actually off when they're supposed to be off. So as you can see, they turned on because it sensed me. So same setup as before. My motion sensor is here. It's connected to my rocker switch over there, three-way, and it's connected to my load. No difference than my other videos. It's got quite a bit of settings that you can go through. You can go through timeout, sensitivity, but definitely keep the menu because it's you're not going to remember it when you want to change it in the future. Yeah, so let's go through the wiring. So as you can see, so right now, what I like about this also is that it presets, so I can have it at the highest, the brightest. Okay. And it dims down so to pretty dim, good for a movie. This is the lowest mode. It's not flickering. It's actually pretty good. One of the better ones I've tested. Okay, so that's how it is. I can turn it off manually, I believe. So I can turn off, and I can turn it on manually. So everything looks like it's working as I expected. Now let's go through the wiring. Turn this light off. So hot wire comes down. Okay. The hot wire, the black cable, is going to go to the black screw here. Okay. The ground cable, very easy. Neutral cable goes to your 12-3 wire. So again, nothing changes. Neutral never touches the switches in a three-way configuration. So this here is my bronze screw with a red cable, and on the other side is my other traveler cable on the blue screw. So in the manual, it asks you to short out the common terminal, which has got the black wire going to your load. So it's supposed to short out the black wire with the cable that is connected to the bronze screw on the sensor. So basically you can see that my red cable is connected to the bronze screw. Over here is supposed to be shorted out with my common screw on the other side. Okay, and the one that is from the connected to the blue screw, the black cable here, is going to travel along and connected to one of these bronze traveler terminals. So that's pretty much it. Everything seems to be working.